Thanks for tuning in, and today I want to continue my EDC for 2025 series. This is episode number 5, which I'm calling my Minimalistic Challenge. And I'm going to test myself to see if I can just carry these items and these items only for an entire week. So let's get right into it, starting with my little Bible. I'll link all these items below if you want to go check it out for yourself. And this is a very tiny Bible, smaller than the palm of my hand. This is something that my wife carries, and she is letting me borrow it for the week. It's got all the books of the Bible, and for each book, they just picked out a few important verses that you should know. And so this is great for your wallet or your front pocket, and just take it out with you and read it on the go. So that's going to be my Bible for the week. Along with that, I have a little notebook from Write in the Rain, and it's a notebook that you can use in all conditions. You can use it when it's wet, and I'm going to pair that with my Fisher Space Pen, which I have right here. I got this on clearance at Staples. I'm not sure why it was on clearance, but it's a great little pen to pair with the Write in the Rain. And because it's so small, you can put it in your wallet again, or your pocket, or even a sling bag, and always have something to write with. So that's the Write in the Rain notebook with my Fisher Space Pen. Now, in terms of tools, I always like to carry a knife, a flashlight, and a miscellaneous item, and that's what I have here. So for my knife, I have a keychain knife from Key Unity, and this is something that I got from them. I did a review of it back in the day, and I'll link that up above if you want to go check that out. And just look how tiny this is. So this is great to put on a keychain because of its super, super compact size. And then you can have a knife with you whenever you need it. And I really love the design. It's got a titanium construction, a nice sharp blade to open plastic packaging or cut tags off things. And so that's going to be the knife that I'm going to be carrying with me for the week. Next, I have my Olight iMini 2. I really like this thing. I just got this recently, and there's no switch to turn it on. What you do is just pull it apart. There's a magnet that holds it together, and it outputs 50 lumens. So it's awesome. So when you attach it again to the magnet, it turns off. And on the other side, you have a charging port right here. And this does go on your keychain, or can, but because of the magnet, you'll see that it will attach itself to other metallic objects. So I don't know if I'm going to be carrying this on my keychain or how I'm going to be carrying this, but this will be my light for the week as I test it out and just see how it goes. And lastly, for my miscellaneous item, I have the Night Eyes Doohickey, and this is a scraper / pry bar, a bottle opener. It's got 3 wrench sizes, a ruler on both sides, and a clip, which you can use to attach to your belt loop or your keychain. And I just love this thing because of the scraper mainly. I use this to pry things open or scrape things off, like stickers off things, and just a handy little tool. I don't use the wrench too often, but the bottle opener, yes, that's a great tool to have with you wherever you go, and so that's why I'm going to be carrying this. And as you can see, everything's very, very small and minimalistic, and so that's how I want to keep it. And I want to see just what the experience would be instead of carrying my Victorinox Super Tinker or my Knipex pliers and other, drivers and things like that. I don't have a driver. I may regret that, but we'll see. But this is what I've decided to go with this week. And hopefully in a future video, I'll kind of talk about my experiences. So let me know your thoughts and comments below. What do you have in your minimalistic setup? Have you ever gone minimalistic? Is this something that you'd consider? I'd love to hear your thoughts below. And until the next video, God bless.